Hello everyone, this is Akshay Sharma, security researcher, and today we'll cover our stored XSS cross-site scripting vulnerability that is discovered on HackerNoon. Now, HackerNoon's a publication where you see hacking and other digital technology articles being posted every day. It's been up and coming in the last few months, and their editing software is pretty solid. Like, it lets you embed videos, but it does not let you insert any HTML or embed any objects, so they got some good filtering there. However, the thing I found interesting was if you were to go on your profile page, where you can upload your avatar, write a nice bio, and put a call to action link over here. Yeah, so let's try the upload avatar feature. Uh, right now you see this image of mine, which looks like just an image, but it's actually more than that. Let's see. So you could select an image to set as your avatar from a variety of sources. This attack does not work if you're using my device, so let's use an existing link to insert this image. Well, you could put any link, but I just have an image crafted up, which is an SVG, and that will take form of a PNG. But let's see what's going on here. First of all, SVGs are images that are XML representation rather than pixel binary data. So, for example, this is a sample SVG, right? It's actually a sketch or SVG representation of my profile pic. So as you can see, with just a few mathematical paths and curves, it generated an image of mine. So that's why SVGs are so useful when you need, I mean, as the name says, scalable images, that it does not have a set pixel value, size value. You can make it as big or as small as you want. And in theory, at least, it shouldn't cause any changes in the resolution. In practice, we see when you make an SVG too large, the paths may not look all that authentic compared to the original image. So anyway, this is the XML representation of my original HackerNoon image, which is what you see here. Uh, and although they do not allow SVGs, I think this is like a little glitch in their system that does if you use a link to upload it. Uh, and now I put in some malicious script in there. What this script does is it will cause an alert with the user's cookies, and it will email me those cookies. Here's an example domain. So as soon as this SVG is opened, it should show a pop-up alert with the cookie data, and then it should email me the cookies. There's more elegant ways of doing it using Ajax, jQuery, but I just wanted to give you a quick demo. Okay, let's see how this goes. So I have this image uploaded on one of my domains. I'll just use that link. So when you use the link, when you use this upload image via link feature, click upload. Yep, it would not let you edit it, but that's okay. Click upload anyway. Now click save, although that's not needed. Refresh. Now what you get back is a normal image, and this is because SVGs do not execute code. It's a security measure implemented by most programs and web browsers that if you're using image tag or CSS background to embed an SVG, it will act just like an image. If there's any hidden HTML or JavaScript, JS, it would not execute. But if you were to access this SVG directly or embed it elsewhere as an object, iframe, or using the embed tag, it would execute the scripts in there. So what I'm trying to say is, like, if you were to inspect this element and see where it links to, I already know the link, but yep, it's that static avatar link. Let's open it in a new web browser or new tab. Yep, that's my cookie data, and it's going to further redirect. Now what this little script does is it emails me all that data. So I can show you an example. This is how it looks like. It has the session ID, identity ID, the link, uh, and this is just one of the examples, and obviously I logged the IP where I got the request from. You can also, if you're feeling adventurous, see what other data HackerNoon sends. When it loads, you can go in the application tab. There's like a bunch of fun objects in local storage for every domain. There's session storage. Actually, I'm on app.hackernoon. Let's go on the HackerNoon domain. Yeah. Yep, so local storage has a bunch of stuff in it, and this is what I was posting, but there's lots of opportunities, including cookies. There's session storage, there's IndexedDB, etc. So you can see how much data a hacker can collect. Now, although I'm calling it stored XSS because technically they shouldn't allow images which look like PNGs but are really SVGs, because if you remember the link to my avatar, it actually looks like a .png, but it's not a PNG, it's an SVG. They're just changing the extension without properly converting the image. That's okay. Now, one thing where this could potentially be embedded although I'm not sure if this would work because I could not test it out. But community.hackernoon.com, right? Uh, they let you create posts or reply to articles. For example, the sample articles, this which I had written a few months ago. You could technically like post something here. This editor allows HTML or so. Now, I don't want to glorify this too much because technically whatever you post here is reviewed by a moderator before they approve it. So if they're able to spot your, I don't know, malicious iframe or object or embed tag with the SVG, they may not approve it, more likely than not. But even if you can get someone to click on the avatar link directly, you can tempt someone, you all of a sudden, if they're logged in, you have their cookies. So yep, I'm reporting this ASAP, and this video should be released once it's resolved. So thanks for watching.